Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is China tool unboxing video. Let's do unboxing, see what inside I have received. This is template, let's see, and I think it's router bit. Yes, here I have very cheapy router bit for 1/4 inch. Yes, 1/4 inch. Cheap one. I'm not sure we'll use it because it can be not safe. So for something testing draft force, maybe it will be useful, because the kit with this one and without this is less than $half. So I thought maybe better to take it with the kit. Okay, I will put this big box here. Let's look to this template. First feeling about the material, it's very solid. Some type of the plastic. We can check the thickness of it. Let's see. 8 millimeters. The thickness of it. Plastic, but very strong plastic. As you can see, I can't even try to deform it. Yes, the quality is very nice. And the color, it's subjective. For me, it's awful because it looks like it. But it does not matter. Let's see for what about this template and how we can use it. First thing, this template for several things. And the first one is, you can see these holes for electric, European style electric box. So if you have 2 of them, 3 of them, you can exactly make holes, especially on cabinets when you should do some holes for electric sockets. So having this nice tool for the box, make it correct, easy, without not any more complicated measuring. So it's nice. The second part of this tool, this template, is these 2 holes for making special grooves on, like this is the side of the cabinet, and you are doing special grooves to 2 sizes for mainly aluminum hinges, which goes inside of the whole cabinet. If I found the photo, I will put in the video, you can see. As well, you can see R20, you can use it as a template for making radius corner, 20, 25 millimeter, 30 millimeter here, and 3 templates for making the special grooves for that hinges. I don't remember the name to say. It's sorry, not hinges. The special aluminum part goes through the cabinets for opening the doors and drawers, so on. So you can see there are holes with type screw. I can put here like this slot for fastening, and this one like this. That's it. And I have rounding jig. All these holes specially made for each application, for this one, and etc. Template. So besides the color of it, the quality is very well. Hope it's precise, will do the work. I will test. If you are interested, tell me, and I will make a special video how to use this template. This rotor bit is very cheapy, not recommend to use, it can be dangerous. So let's see what's in the other box, bigger one. As I remember, there should be special stands, kit for keeping cabinets when you are trying to put on the wall, hanging cabinets. It is difficult to take on one hand, make a hole, and make some measurement and so on. Yes, so I bought this set of special clamps. This is just a box, simple cloth, but nice to have. You can put in the box for transferring. Set of them, 2 of them. This is metal version. They have different version, different sizes of this, of these stands. Plastic one, longer, shorter, and etc. I will put a link. You can choose whatever size you need. So one part we can put here, like this. The second one will go like this. So I will put like here, like this in this position, and you can go up and down, whatever height you need to fasten your cabinets on the wall, and exact height for each one. You do not need to keep on one hand on the second hand drill hole. It's very complicated. It's all the time not goes so straight as you wish. So having this set, for the set I paid about $20 maximum for the set of this. You can put one of them, metal, plastic, but strong plastic, plastic, again strong plastic. All the inside mechanism is metal, and the leg also is a metal. So having this set, you can put easily cabinets on whatever your height, work on both your hand, make it leveled, and fasten on the wall. So I will take this out to show you. As I remember, the minimum height, let's check, just like this. I will put again. I took this version because from time fastening thing on the wall without legs, I can use for it as well, because it goes very low. So minimum about 39 centimeters, but I think 38. You can go a little bit more and put it up to the end, and you will get, yes, 38 centimeters. So minimum height is 38 centimeters, and let's see what the maximum. It goes like this, or maybe it will be faster, and it as well opens like this in several positions, you can see. So let's open maximum and see what is the about 83 centimeters. So the maximum height is 83 centimeters. The quality is feeling really good, strong. I believe it will last long time, but the design and comfortableness of how to use it, it's not so appealing. So, but but for the price which I pay for it, with stiffness on the set with the bag, I think it's very quite well. And this a tool which you will not use in everyday base, so from time to time, nice to have in your toolbox and pay a lot of money for that. I do not see any reason. So that's it. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like them, please subscribe to my channel, like them. If you wish, you can share with your friends and colleagues. If you have questions, feel free to ask in comments. I will try to answer them. If you would like to see reviews for tools which I am unboxing, just leave a comment. I will try to make separate videos for them. Have a nice day.